Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to control access to a project here in Jira. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Jira, I need you to click the sign up option, and from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Controlling access to a project in Jira involves managing permissions and roles to ensure that users have the appropriate level of access based on their responsibilities. So there are multiple ways for you to do that, and depending on the plans that you have subscribed. All right. Now, one of the easiest ways is just go to the gear icon on the upper right corner where you can see the cog settings. Click on system because these are going to be the options that you can manage your general configuration, global permissions, and a lot more. Now, we're going to do is go down here at the admin helper and click the permission helper. That's one way. Now, for example, begin typing to find a user and leave blank for anonymous user. In my case, I'm going to search for a deep laughs. This one. And just type in the issue that you're gonna look for, all right? So for example, in this one, and the permission is, it's up to you. For example, it can administer projects, manage sprint, service project agent, maybe like assignable users and a lot more. All right, for now we're going to select the first option, administer projects, and click on submit. Okay, now you see these are going to be the ways for you to control access to a Jira. And then the next option, what we could do is go to the global permissions. Click on submit first. All right. Now here, you can grant permission. All right. You can select permission like manage group of filter subscription or make bulk changes. And you can basically select a group. All right. Now you are basically creating a rule for this one. Click that and click on add. That's two ways. All right, click on add. And that's that. Okay, now hover down on the upper portion where you can administer Jira. You can configure permissions and user management. Just click on that. And what will happen is you would be forwarded in this specific section. All right. And again, remember I told you that the controlling access to a Jira requires a paid subscription. You can only have a limited control of access to the permissions if you have a free plan, which I have right now. So I suggest you upgrade your plan to premium subs so that you can have full control and do not have any limitations like I do. All right. Now, another way to control access here in Jira is going to the Jira, again, on the Jira homepage. Open the project that you wanted to manage from the dashboard. In this case, it's going to be a deep laughs channel. Now, you see, click on the project settings in the sidebar on the left. This will take you to the settings page, and then go to the access for that specific project. Of course, you can add more people here if you wanted. For example, I'm going to be adding all right, and you can add more people, or you can add from Google, Slack, and Microsoft. And of course, you can put in the role. Now, when I hover the mouse here, as you can see, project roles aren't editable on the free plan. So you need to upgrade for advanced team configuration. As of the moment, I cannot proceed with this. I can only add one person, all right, for this specific project. And as you can see, I have added one teammate and I can manage their access to the project from project settings. If I click on the manage access here, you see, I can, of course, Now, again, to customize user roles, I need to upgrade to a plan. The default is going to be the administrator because that is the default I have selected on the option earlier, right? If you wanted to control a specific role here, for example, I don't want the deep labs to be an administrator. I only wanted that person or that freelancer or client to be a member because members are part of the team. You can add, edit, and collaborate on all work. You can add a viewer. And of course, you can customize roles if you upgrade to the plan, all right? Same goes here. When you click on the upgrade button here, what will happen is you would be forwarded here on this specific new page wherein you just have to upgrade to another paid subscription. Now, you see, and add your payment details for uninterrupted, and just if you're decided, just click on the add payment details, and that's that. Another option that you could explore is you can simply go to a new project, especially if you haven't created the new project yet and you wanted to assign roles to a specific team members that you think you would want to review their permissions or roles. Now, I'm going to maybe use anything right here, maybe a software development. I'm going to use Kanban, and I'm going to use this specific template. Now, there's an option for the team manage. You can select a team manage project, and of course, you can select the company manage kind of project, but this is going to be a little bit difficult to do. Let's just select the team manage project. And of course, for now, I'm going to rename this as this one. And I'm going to... Now here on the team manage, you can change the type so you can control your working processes right here. Click on next. Now, after that, of course, you have an option to assign and add people here. Okay. And if you just want to put the member here as a viewer only, all right, do so, because earlier we cannot change the administrator because it's the default. And this option, you have the freedom to choose anyone here as a member and as a viewer. All right. In that sense, that's how we can control access to a project if you are using their free plan subscription. All right. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.